Alright, let's talk about something that's got the drone world buzzing. DJI's Mini 5 Pro. You've probably seen the leaks, the specs, and those jaw-dropping photos. But here's the twist. This incredible little drone isn't coming to the US. Yeah, you heard me right. Let's dig into why, because it's a wild story. First off, the Mini 5 Pro is a beast in a tiny package. We're talking 4K video, obstacle avoidance, longer battery life, and a camera that makes your phone jealous. It's basically everything drone fans have been asking for, except, well, you can't buy it here. So what's the holdup? It's all about regulations. In the US, the FCC, the folks who control radio frequencies, haven't approved the Mini 5 Pro's transmission tech. DJI uses a new wireless system for better range and stability, but without that FCC stamp, it's a no-go for American shelves. Now here's where it gets interesting. DJI's older drones, like the Mini 4 Pro, are still available. So if you're in the US, you're not totally out of luck. But if you want the latest and greatest, you'll have to wait, or get creative. Some folks are already importing the Mini 5 Pro from other countries, but that comes with its own risks, like missing out on warranty support or running into legal trouble if the drone interferes with US frequencies. And let's not forget, drone laws are getting stricter. The US wants every drone to be trackable, and new tech means more hoops for companies to jump through. DJI is playing it safe, making sure everything's by the book before launching stateside. So for now, the Mini 5 Pro is just out of reach. But if history is any guide, DJI will sort things out. Until then, keep your eyes open, fly safe, and stay tuned for more updates. Who knows? The next big thing might just be around the corner.